Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Today I am standing out in front of Habitat for Humanities Restore. I thought I would take you in and do a little bit more shopping with me so that you can have ideas of not just thrift stores, although that's basically what it is, but this place will have furniture and all kinds of fixtures to fix your house with, cabinets and lighting, and I mean just everything you can imagine we will find in there. So I'm going to take you in and we'll go shopping. Okay. I like this. Oh, that is cool. I like the fireplace. Look at this. I wonder how much they want for that fireplace. $65. That's cool. And the chairs. And over on this side, they have some nice looking chairs. Oh, an old radio. My mom and dad used to have, a radio like this. $200. But my parents used to have one similar to that anyway. Well, let's go on in and see what is in here. Wow, let's just take a moment and pan. There's a lot in here. I don't know if any of you have ever been to a restore, but it is pretty amazing. All the stuff that they have. I'm just going to walk down here and just kind of get an idea of what's going on. I do hear they're playing music, so I'm going to have to... Oh, it would go nice. That's beautiful. Wow, that is pretty. That is gorgeous. There we go. That is gorgeous. And that's $200.
That's not. Oh.
And then I think it has 15% off today. Yeah. So there's a lot of really neat things here. So I'm going to hit pause for the moment and we'll look at other things and show you in a little bit. Actually, these kind of intrigue me just a little bit. I mean, they're just simple, and they're $25. I might be able to find something similar to this at the thrift store cheaper than that. But what this is I am going to be remodeling my basement. Well, not remodeling, but refixing it so I can put away all my holiday stuff in a much more organized way. My sister-in-law moved in with me, and she brought a household full of stuff. So down in the basement, we have her stuff and we have all of mine, and I have two rooms, and I've had my stuff in a smaller room, which I have outgrown, and we have her stuff in the bigger room. So we're trading areas, and then we're looking for bookcases of different various styles that I can get and organize all our stuff. So that's kind of what we're looking for while we're in here. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Again, it's $200, but wow, what a beautiful dresser mirror. Oh, I love it. So anyway, I'm looking for cabinetry or shelving units, which this is just cabinetry, so it's probably not what we're looking at, but I'm looking through it, and I hear they have a lot of music going, which doesn't work for... Look at this, sorry. Ooh, shiny, huh? Look at that. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, here's another extremely gorgeous piece.
Oh,
Wow.
beautiful.
Oh, I bet it does.
Furniture was built though.
Oh, I don't even have a place in my house that would fit in, I don't think. Oh, that's an amazing piece. That is absolutely gorgeous. And they have it $400, and it looks like it's half off right now. Oh no, original price was $800. And they have it down to $400. Wow, check this out. That's a TV. It is, it's a wardrobe. Because it's got I thought it was TV. Well, it can be TV. It's got both. Because it's got the bar where you can hang your stuff. Oh, if I had a place for this. But that would go clear to my ceiling, and I have a feeling my ceilings might be taller than that.
You mean shorter?
Shorter, yeah. I mean shorter than that. That's the word.
Excuse me.
Oh,
That is amazing.
it is gorgeous. And they even have area rugs on the walls here. Isn't that nice? The reason I don't have area rugs is because I have my dogs, and unfortunately they have too many accidents and they seek out rugs to do it on for some reason. So I just don't have rugs. I would love to have some rugs, but not with my dogs. The nice thing about here is it's repurposing things. So they have all they have faucets and sinks and even bathtubs. Look at all these soaker tubs. These are really nice. Nice deep ones, big ones. Oh, look at there. There's a nice pedestal sink. That would be gorgeous. Ooh, pretty. I mean, there's just all these things. And they're all gently used. People just remodel their home and they donate it to Habitat for Humanities. And you can come in and get a pretty good deal compared to what it would be brand new, right from the store. And maybe you can find some stuff that you're looking for that you can't buy anymore in some of the stores. You know, like some of this you're just not gonna be able to buy in stores anymore. You're gonna have, because the color may be outdated, but you need one. Come check out places like this. And they have doors. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this amazing chandelier. Wow, boy, you have to have a house for that. It's now $90. Wow, isn't that something? $90 for that. But you gotta have a house for that. And I don't, but that's gorgeous. Wow. And then there's even kitchen cabinets. Like, those are really outdated for today's standards, but a lot of people might still like that rustic cabin look. And you can get them probably really cheap and be able to put them in your kitchen. And maybe you have this kitchen and you're wanting to remodel a little bit and just bring some more in, you could find them. So there's all kinds of neat cabinetries. You just have rows and rows and rows of it. Wow. There is some really neat chandeliers. All kinds of them in here. And they're a lot cheaper than they would be at the new stores. Like, I love the globes on this right here. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's gorgeous. That is, that is just the workmanship on that is amazing. So beautiful. And here is this beautiful kitchen cabinet that someone took out. And it's $16.50 on sale right now for all of these cabinets. If you have the right kitchen and this is what you're looking for, there you go. It's beautiful. You can even get fireplace inserts for gas right here. I wonder if they have any of the electric looking ones, because I think it'd be neat if I could find, as I don't really burn a fire in my fireplace, it just gets too hot. Even in the winter time, I just don't usually worry about it. But I wonder if I could find an electric one, those that look like real, insert to put in mine. That would be fun.
And I had a coffee table that matched.
Okay. See, and then here they've got coffee tables, end tables. Everything you can imagine is in there. I see some iron ones I think look kind of neat from here, but just really cool. And then they even have some dishes in here. Like, oh, hey, this is pretty. It's purple. I've never seen a purple one like that before. Wow. Isn't that pretty? But it's only one.
Oh, I like that.
Hey, that's cool. That's what I was just getting ready to film on. This urn is so pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I like this dining room set. If I was going to start for a whole new dining room set, I think I would do that. I love the shape of the back of it. This is gorgeous. I love it. And it's $140 for the 6-piece set. That's not bad for this beautiful set. It's gorgeous. Oh, hey, there's a red, let's see if I can focus from here. I have plenty of those from Christmas, but there's some more of that red glass votives for your candles. Gorgeous. Music again. I think that's kind of neat. It's got your glass in it. And they want $8, I think, for it. Oh, those are kind of neat. Nice brass look. Now it just seems to be a bunch of furniture over here. If you're into furniture, maybe this is the place to look for it. If you want furniture, try your Habitat for Humanities. It's a special cause that it helps out. Okay, this seems to be the lighting aisle. Oh my goodness, I thought we saw a little bit over there, but wow, check out this aisle. I love this. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Oh, I love it. Love it. They even have the lampshades right here. Aren't those cool? All different types, size, color that you can imagine. And I even like those, even though it's out of style for most people. But oh, I think that's cool if you have the right entryway. I think it's amazing, personally. Oh, check out up here. Look at that. It's gorgeous. All of those are truly amazing. And the thing is a lot of these you can't get in your home stores anymore because they're outdated. It's not the look. If you like the old world, this is where you want to come look. Wow. They are amazing. Oh, they have ceiling fans and oh, it's just lights. Oh, this is really gorgeous. I like this one. It's pretty. I got to come down and see something I've been called. Oh, and look over here. Oh my goodness, if I'm not making you dizzy, I forgot. I mean, there's just all these glass globes. And they come decorated. She loves those and they come decorated already.
For $85, you get both.
Oh, wow.
It's $35 and $50.
Those are gorgeous. They are. I mean, the lights themselves are beautiful. If you don't like the decorating, you can pull those off. But the globes are gorgeous. The whole set is really, really pretty. Wow, I love it. You even get refrigerators. Yep, some is like the handle is missing, but it might be inside. They want $1,100 for that. And this one I don't see a price on, but they have refrigerators, washers, and stoves, and dishwashers. Oh, that one's nice. $1,039. Oh. Even that one, it's got the wood on it. Isn't that nice? Make it look like cabinets. Dishwasher, stoves. You know, there's just all kinds of stuff. And then there's wood trims and moldings along the back over there, which I'm walking fast to get around the... But see, you got all kinds of moldings and trims. So I would look, if you're looking for specific things for a Habitat for Humanities, you might find some really cool things. There's bricks and tile and window screens. There's even a little bit of roofing and some patio furniture. I mean, I don't mind this set. This is kind of neat, but it takes the stools, not the chair. But this is still not bad, you know. And so this is some really cool things. Well, so far I haven't found anything that I'm going to buy, I don't think. Well, maybe one, depending on the cost of that urn, that pot that I thought was so pretty. And then there's doors. Like, look at that beautiful door. It's gorgeous. Screen door. It's really fancy. But anyway, I'm just, showing the basics of it. But I'm going to go ahead and get off from here for now. And we'll talk to you all. Oh, that would make a pretty mantle. If you have the right fireplace, that would be a very nice mantle. Very, very, very nice. But anyway, I'm going to get off here for now, and we'll talk to y'all later. We have here even pictures, and clocks, and all kinds of good stuff. Chalkboard, is it?
$15.
$13 for this chalkboard?
15.
Or 15. So anybody wants
use this for our menu.
I'm probably not gonna. No, I don't think I'm wanting something that enormous. I think it's easier for me just to look in the book than it would be to have that in the way of everything. But even bed frames. Oh, I like this sofa.
I do too. I was looking at it earlier.
That's a nice sofa. Nice and old world. It's gorgeous. Look at the detailing on that. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's gorgeous. And right now it's 25% off of $75. Well, if I needed it and I had it and I wanted it, I would be doing it. It is gorgeous. Okay, well, I'm concluding what I'm going to do here. So I'm probably not buying anything. I might buy one thing, but I don't think so. But I just wanted to at least show you Habitat for Humanities, the Restore. It's worth your time if you have one around you. It goes for a great cause. So everyone, check it out and see what you have. Yeah, okay. Well, as you can see, I walked around in Habitat for Humanities Restore. It is so totally worth coming into one of these if you're looking for things specific. I didn't find, unfortunately, things I was looking for, but at least I could show you around and get you to go find one maybe near you. I don't know if there's other stores in other parts of the country that's named differently, but it is like a secondhand store, but it has much different things than a regular thrift store. Just something new. I know I just put up a video of thrifting, but that's all right. You can have this one also right in a row, back to back. Here we go. Anyway, check out your Habitat for Humanities Restore. Okay, well, they didn't have the cabinets that I was actually looking for, and so I just found a nice little plate stand, which I know I can use for many things. 25 cents. Can't beat that. It's better than most thrift stores and better than the Dollar Tree for a little plate holder. See what I'm saying by a plate holder? You know, that's what I got. Boy, I was a big spender here, but that's because I was specifically looking for something and I didn't find any that I needed. But I really want to encourage you again, check out Habitat for Humanities and the Restore, because it may have things that you're just looking for. Might not have been something you even thought of. So give it a try, check it out, and I'm just going to say to all of you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and you all take care, and God bless, and happy decorating.